Bella's Credit Corner. My name is Bella, and if you are someone who is looking to get your overall finances in order, well, you are in the right place. Here on my YouTube channel, we do focus on the 4 pillars of financial success, which are budgeting, saving, investing, and credit. So if you are new to me and my channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and then go ahead and hit that notification bell so you will know when my future videos are posted on YouTube. Now, if you are a returning subscriber, I'm equally excited to have you here. I do know that I have been a bit MIA here from YouTube, but I am really excited to be back. And I'm very excited to share with you the changes that I have made in my business and how that will impact the changes you will see here on my YouTube channel. Now, prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, which was essentially prior to March of 2020, I would focus on 2 specific topics here on my YouTube channel. So the first area of focus was credit. And I would just post different videos giving different tips and strategies and also information to those individuals in my audience who were on this journey to improve their credit scores. Now, the second topic of focus was also credit cards. I would essentially talk about different credit card products on the market and just talk about different perks and benefits of these products, and also give my honest review. Now, those videos were really for those members in my audience who are really into that hobby of either traveling using points and rewards or are interested in earning cash back from different credit cards, or those members who are interested in getting into the hobby and just wanted to have this information as a reference point. But then March of 2020 here in the US, the entire country shut down. And COVID-19 really started to just devastate our country. You know, from a physical standpoint, we had people who were passing away, getting really sick, and also from an economic standpoint. And it was during that time I realized that I needed to expand the conversation that I was essentially having on my social media platforms. So we needed to not only talk about credit, but also those different areas of financial literacy. So budgeting, saving, investing, and then also continue the conversations about credit. So it was also during that time that I started to offer different things to support my members of my audience. So I was giving live master classes, coaching sessions. I also now have my own online school that has self-study courses to help those people in my audience who do need additional support in those different areas. Now, I will post a link down below to my online school, but with all of that going on, I did have to essentially pull back from creating videos for my YouTube channel. But now I am officially back and I am excited to be here. And so I do want to talk about the changes you will see here on my YouTube channel. So I kind of alluded to it already, but I will of course talk about it in more detail. So we will not only focus on credit here in Bella's Credit Corner, we will also focus on budgeting and how to manage your finances. We will also talk about savings and how you can start really getting serious about building up your emergency fund. And we will also cover the various pain points and just information when it comes to investing. So I'm excited about these changes. I hope you are equally excited. And so with that being said, any questions that you have or topics that you do want to see covered here on my YouTube channel, feel free to either leave a comment down below, or you can send me a DM on Instagram, or you can shoot me an email as well. I will put all that information in the description box down below. Now, as a financial strategy coach, I will say that I am really excited to see so many members of my community and my audience really taking their finances seriously and doing the work to get their financial house in order. I will say that this COVID-19 pandemic was really eye-opening for a lot of us. We realized how much we just did not know or were not taught when it comes to financial literacy. And we also realize how vulnerable our finances are. So for a lot of people, they realize that they do not have any money in savings or not enough money in savings. They realize that they just were not well versed when it comes to investing. So they either were, one, not investing at all, or two, they were investing but without a real strategy or just not really focused on it enough. And they realized that investing is really the only way to build wealth. So many people are starting to really take investing seriously. And of course, when it comes to credit, there are people who are really working hard to pay down their debts, pay off collection accounts, and really start to do the work to improve their credit score. So for me, I am here for all of it. And of course, I want to continue to do my part as a financial strategy coach to not only empower my audience, but also to educate them on the different aspects of financial literacy. So these are the changes that you can expect to see here on my YouTube channel. I am so excited and I hope that you are too. So make sure to like this video, share it with at least one of your friends or acquaintances in your network. And also if you're not subscribed, make sure to do that as well if these are topics that you do want to hear more about. So I want to thank you so much for stopping by and watching today's video, and I will talk to you soon.